Hey Ben, you look tired. Long day at work?
Hey Lily, yeah, it's been a crazy busy day. I've had so much to do. What about you?
Same here. I've been working on 3 different projects at the same time. I barely had time to check my phone.
I know the feeling. Today I had back-to-back meetings and reports to finish. I didn't even stop to take a real break.
Did you at least have time to eat lunch?
Barely. I ate a sandwich at my desk while replying to emails. You?
I skipped lunch. I had a granola bar and kept working. When there's too much to do, food has to wait.
True. What do you usually do when you have too much work?
I try to make a list and stay organized, but sometimes I end up bringing work home. Do you do that too?
Yeah, especially when there are deadlines. I bring my laptop home and work at night sometimes.
Same here. Have you ever worked on a weekend?
Oh yes, more times than I'd like to admit. Sometimes I even have to answer emails on Sunday.
Wow, that's rough. Do you at least get paid overtime?
Sometimes, but to be honest, I don't really like working extra hours. It makes me feel so exhausted.
Me too. I prefer to finish everything during the week, but when it's impossible, I stay late at the office.
What do you do to relax when you've had a really busy day?
I like to take a hot shower, then watch a show or listen to music. And you?
I usually play video games for an hour or go for a walk. It helps me clear my mind.
Do you guys ever order pizza at work when you stay late?
All the time. Pizza or Chinese food. It's the only way to survive a long night at the office.
Same here. It makes the extra hours a little more fun.
But seriously, would you ever want to work 24/7?
No way. I need my weekends and rest. Work is important, but so is mental health.
I agree 100%. I love my job, but I don't want it to take over my life.
Balance is everything. Do you think your company could do something to reduce the workload?
Maybe hire more staff or adjust the deadlines. Right now, it feels like we're doing too much.
Same with my team. Everyone is always stressed out and tired.
Hopefully things slow down soon. We all need a break.
For sure. Until then, let's keep breathing and maybe order more pizza.
Deal. Hang in there, Lily.
You too, Ben.